DC Kingdom. Welcome to episode 1 of Cooking with Larry, aka your boy. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, get you a man who can cook. Fellas, learn how to cook. But the thing of it is, I'm gonna show you today, because nobody likes fucking eating bland, plastic ass chicken. You know what I'm saying? Nobody likes eating plain ass sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna show you how to make your sweet potato taste like candy. An orgasm in your mouth. So let's get into it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you how to do this, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, so I have an Instapot, right? It saved my life. If you don't have one, looking to invest in one, because it will cut your prep time down like halfway, right? 50%, because you can cook chicken, asparagus, and sweet potato in there. But if you don't have an Instapot, here's what you need to do. You need to get a regular pot, right? Make sure you boil it, put water in there and have it go to a boil. Cut up your sweet potatoes like I did here, right? And then put them in the boiling water and let them boil until you can take a fork and it's easy to stick your fork through the center of the sweet potato. That's when you know that it's ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna obviously get this Instapot started, and then I'm gonna show y'all the main part that I want you to see when we get back. Alright guys, we're back. So I got a different view, so hopefully you can see this really well. So as you can see, the consistency of the potatoes is hella soft. You see what I'm saying? So if you boil it with the regular pot, make sure you boil it. So look at my fork. See how easy it goes in? That's when you know this shit is good to go. You know what I mean? So I went ahead and strained it. You see in the strainer. So I'll take like a container like this. If you depend on how many potatoes you're cooking, you know what I'm saying, you get a bigger container. So what I'm gonna simply do now, usually I'll wait until the shit cools off. It's hot as fuck right now, so I'm probably gonna burn myself. Don't suggest you do that, but I'm trying to get this video done, you know what I'm saying, before I go to bed. So I just simply peel, you know what I'm saying, the skins off. And usually you have a trash can handy. I don't, because I'm winging this shit. But that's what I typically do. And I'll put it in a separate container like so. So you have yourself a container handy. And go ahead and peel all the potatoes. Put them in the container. And I'm going to do that and get right back. And we're back. So as you can see, I got the sweet potatoes in there. And again, I just want to show y'all the consistency. You see how soft this shit is? So basically from here, this is what I add to make the shit taste like candy. I'm telling you, the shit is amazing. You only need 2 things. That's it, 2 things. Stevia, alright? Ground cinnamon. Simple, you know what I mean? You know, I grew up in a black household, you know what I mean? So we eyeball everything. We don't even know what measurements are, right? So just gonna put a little dab, a couple little dabs of cinnamon like that. A little goes a long way. And then usually, depending on how much you make, it'll vary. But for this much, I'll use 2 packets of stevia. Alright? I'm telling you, a little goes a long way. So I go put that on there like so. Alright? Then after that, get you a spoon, fork, whatever you choose, and I'm just gonna mash it up. The only thing I'm doing is mashing it up, stirring it around, getting that cinnamon in there, getting that stevia in there. You know what I mean? And really, it should probably only take you maybe, 2 or 3 minutes to do this. You're just trying to get the consistency to where you like it. You know what I'm saying? If you want it to be really, really mashed up, then let's keep going, obviously. But for me, that's good. That's Gucci, right? So that's what I do. And you know what I'm saying? We're going to do a little taste test for y'all on camera. Alright, so the sweet potatoes are done. You know what I mean? We got it in, we got it done. So let's see what this shit tastes like. Shit's good as fuck, man. Hey, listen. Give this shit a try. Comment below if you like it. And let me know what else y'all want to see. And I got y'all. So episode 1, Cooking with Larry in the books.